What's up friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to deal with practical exercise question number 12, where we are going to write C++ program that grades the student marks and show the result, like division is first division, second division, or third division based on percentage of marks. Yeah, we can now write this program by using two methods. First of all, or first method, you can use if statement. If statement, this is the first method. Also, we can use what you call if else radar. If else radar. Right? Yeah. Now, let us first we use if statement. Let us first use if statement. We will also use if else later to see how it works. So first of all, we have to make declaration of our marks by using int marks, right? Yeah. Now then we have to ask user to enter marks of students. See out enter marks, enter marks like this. Then we have it end our line like this, right? Then see in marks like this, right? After we read marks, now we can put the condition by using if statement. If our marks is greater or equal to 18, like this, and our marks is less than or equal to 100, right? In this case, these students are in the first division. In comment statement by using cout, then this is first division, right? Like this. Then this is first decision, means that when max is greater or equal to 18 and max is less than or equal to 100, this is first division. Let us show those students who are in second division. If max are greater or equal to 15 and max which is less than or equal to 18, like this, these students are in second division, right? Cout students, or simply second division, like this, right? Then end line as usual. And after this, we have now to display as the third division by using if statement. If our max is greater, right, or equal to 0 and max less than or equal to 15, right, like this. Then this, in this case, this is the third division. Third division, like this. Yeah, like this. Then end line, right? After this, we can now make compression of our program to check whether there is error or not. by clicking on execute and then compile, right? You see there is error here. You see here we have to put end line here and semicolon, right? And also make compilation again. Yeah, you see now there is no error. We can now run our program, right? Yeah, first statement asks us to enter the marks. Now let us enter like 70 marks like this. Then you see second division, as you see, is what we write if our marks are between 50 and 18. We get the second division as you see here. Then our marks is now 70, and 70 is between 50 and 80. That's why you get the second division. Yeah, let us enter the other marks differently. From 70 you can now enter like 20 marks. We get third division. As you see, our marks now is in third division, right? So this is the first method by using if statement. We can also use if else radar. Let us show how you can do it right now. Pay attention here please. What we are going to do now is to change the syntax from if statement to if else statement. So now we are going to change our syntax. First of all, if max greater or equal to 80 and max less than to 100, right? But instead of if here we have to write else if, because the syntax of if else it seems like if condition else other condition, but when we deal with if else radar we have to use more than one if else. You see by syntax, if max here is right, then else if here. You see else if max is greater or equal to 15 and max less than or equal to 18. In this case we will get second division. Else if, instead of if here we have to put here else if max is greater or equal to 0 and then max less than or equal to 50, we get the third division. But you know that by using else if we have to use else section or parts that show the invalid statement. You see like this, else, then out, you see out, like invalid marks, right? Invalid marks, yeah, like this. By then end line here. Do you know when this else part will execute? Remember in syntax of if else statement, this else execute if there is no true condition in these above conditions. If the marks we entered are no longer in this range, you see in the when we entered the marks which is no longer in this range, also not in this range, and also in not this range, in this case the else statement will be execute. Yeah, is when else execute. Whenever we enter the marks which is no longer included in the above conditions, this part will execute. Yeah, let us make a compilation and run it to see how it works. Yeah, you see now there is no error, compilation end. Now let us run our program. Yeah, you see That is, first of all, we're able to enter max. As the first program, I can now enter like 90 max, first division, and also we can run it again and enter like 55 max. You see, let us enter like a 55 max, second division, and let us enter like 25 max to see whether is in third division, as our program supposed to be 25 max in third division. But let's show how the else statement can be executed. When will be executed? Let us enter like minus 10 max. You see, minus 10 max here. You see, minus 10 max is invalid max, right? Or we can now enter more than 100 max, also will be invalid max. Let me show you. Let us now enter the 500 max, 500, like this. This max is greater than 100 and our max are over 100. That's why here we have to get invalid max. You see, that is where the else statement used. So this is the end of our today's presentation. Please kindly remember to make subscribe, like, share, and give us your point of view in the comment section. So see you in next video. Take care.